Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I just wanted to let you know it's the official title of this video, that is making a new Starbucks drink every day for 3 days. Now, Starbucks is expensive, so today I'm going to be trying out different recipes that you can do at home, and maybe they're just as good or even better. Let's get on with the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be making a pink drink with my new Starbucks cup. Bought this one and keep it when we went to visit. So I found a recipe on Pinterest. I don't have every exact ingredient, I have this one, so we're going to make it. I'll have the link in the description to the pen. The first step was 1 1/4 cup of white currant strawberry. Don't have that, but I have this. So yeah. I think this is about a quart. There we go. Okay, next is ice. We'll add more ice later if we need it. Let's see the next step. Okay, we have our coconut milk here. This is supposed to be sweetened. Okay, it's sweetened. Okay, and now it's a half a cup. Now it's looking like an iced coffee. Smells good. It smells like a good perfume. Mama, smell this. This smells like perfume. Okay, let's see the next step. It needs freeze-dried strawberries, so I'm just gonna freeze. Should I freeze the strawberries? These are really good. Okay, so it said any amount of freeze-dried strawberries. We don't have freeze-dried strawberries.
Honestly, are we even following this recipe anymore?
And in the video, there were slices. Now it says to shake it.
Shake, 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 Señora, shake your body liner. Shake, 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 Señora, shake it all the time.
Okay, now let's try it. Sugar in it. Alright, let's stir the sugar in.
Shake, 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 Señora.
And I saw a different recipe that said to put vanilla extra.
And may this be a lesson to you to only follow the recipe and not make your own recipe.
On to the next drink. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of making Starbucks drinks every single day. This one is not actually from Starbucks. I found a recipe on Pinterest, but it doesn't matter. I'm sure it's on the menu somewhere. The recipe said to freeze the strawberries, so I did. I have 2 cups of strawberries. We also need milk. And I'm thinking I'm also going to put a little bit of coconut milk in there. Okay, we have those ingredients, and I think that's it. Let me just check though.
Funny story, I actually forgot to wash these, which is a big no-no here.
There's our first cup of strawberries. I gotta do the second one. Okay, there's our second cup of strawberries. A cup of milk. Vanilla extract. And we're just gonna blend this. Time for a taste test. That's good. That's really good. I'm not changing anything. Just the smaller one. Right off the cup, so I don't know. These waters are toxic.
I basically followed this recipe, so I think it definitely went better than the last one.
Drink. On to the next drink. Hey guys, welcome to wait. Hey guys. Ignore that. Hey guys. Well, I'm done. Welcome to day 3 of making a Starbucks drink every day. So my goal for today was to make a dragon fruit refresher. But we have this beautiful thing right here. Oh, it is going bad, so we need to use this now. But it's beautiful. See? Sort of. But I was going to use this to make a dragon fruit refresher. But little did I know that you're supposed to have mango in it. So instead, I'm making dragon fruit lemonade. I found a recipe on Pinterest once again, and I'm going to be using exactly what the recipe says, because for once I actually have all of the ingredients. From the looks of it, this feels like it might be one of the most complicated recipes for a drink I have ever followed. So we're gonna try it. I'm super hungry, but I told myself I'm gonna wait until I finish with this drink so I can have my ramen noodles that are patiently awaiting me in the microwave right now. Editing me. Replay that and insert sound there. We'll start by making the simple syrup. Making a homemade simple syrup for beverages is so easy. Riley has a friend here. Set this aside and let it cool for a bit. Okay. Meanwhile, you prep the lemons. First lemons going in. To prep the dragon fruit juice part of the lemonade. Slicing your sweet veggie rice. Oh, there's just one seed just chilling in there. Wait, dude, that's good. Anyways, guys, this right here is our final product. I am obsessed with it. I will probably be making it again. First of all, the recipe said that it only took 10 minutes to make, but my camera's been rolling for 46 minutes. So either I'm just a little sidetracked or both, whatever. My siblings didn't like it because they said it was too sour, but I love sour things, so I love this. Yeah, definitely not 10 minutes to make this, you guys. Anyways, that is it for our making 3 Starbucks drinks in 3 days video, and I will see you next time. Bye!